day?
Excellent. Walked around, had a few things, talked to other people, photographs, pictures.
Oh, it's been fun. Lots of things to do. The kids played rugby with Scarlet. Nice pig roast. Face painting.
Yeah, it's been good so far. Ethan, my little friend, has been on the bouncy castle. I enjoyed the pig roast just now. That was good. Even though I could do with a third helping. I mean a second helping, that is.
Fantastic day, marvellous stuff, and the food was absolutely wonderful.
Hi, my name is Tina Shevlin and I'm from Eco Centre Wales in Newport, Pembrokeshire. I run a viewer poverty scheme called the Cozy Home Advisor, and today I've spoken to a lot of tenants from all the organisations who have been here today and given them some free energy efficiency advice and told them what they can do to save energy in their home. It's been a very good, successful day as far as I'm concerned and my colleague.
I've been